morning and welcome to my channel. Thanks very much for watching and being here with me. Today is a flip through of an engagement diary, another custom order I had, and it's for an Irish girl and an American girl. So I've put a few vintage items in from each country as well as one of the requisites for the journal. Other than that, it was do what I wanted. So I've tied it up with some lovely cream chiffon ribbon and put a key, I thought key to my heart. This is some lace, or not lace, it's material actually. I picked up in the souk in Dubai last year, and this was a flower off of it. It's another piece here, and then I've put a gem in there. And I've used the Dear Sepia and Dear Love kit, I think it is, from By Boho. By Boho Love. Yes. So this is one of the cards you get in the kit. And then what I've done, I've printed one of the pages onto some plain sort of creamy coloured sheet I've got. This piece wasn't tea dyed, as you can see there. And then I've put 250 GSM card in between, and I've just put some calico in there on the inside and some lace down the middle. It's just one signature, but it is quite chunky. So this is from the kit, Dear Sepia. Oh, I'm not too certain actually. It may be Dear Love. I will put a link below. This is the Irish card. It is that way round. Dublin. It's none of your Blarney. And this is from 1906, posted in Belfast. And then this is from the kit as well. Pages from the kit. I know this is Dear Love, this one. I've put some pink in it as well. Some stenciling, some more stenciling, some Spanish book page. No, French book page. Tell a lie. French Spanish dictionary, I think it is. And it's got engagement there, so I've just highlighted it. And some more pages from the kit. And this is a postcard, Mississippi River steamers arriving at Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Not great on the back, and no actual date. But it looks, I've picked it up in a job lot. So that goes in there. Some ledger paper that actually came from the States on a swap, and I've got a ruffle again from the crepe paper. I've done a flip here, and I've printed on some Spanish book page. It's quite a thick book page. I found you need to use quite thick book pages, and I've taped it on with some masking tape that I've inked in. And then there's just a tag here that is just, I just put a little collage on the bottom of the tag, and this came with the kit as well. These were from, this was from the kit. This is from Ruby and Pearl. When you see something beautiful in someone, tell them. Tea-dyed envelope. This was from the kit, and I've just layered it with some cheesecloth and dotted tulle, and I've just covered the inside. These are from Raindrop Lila, her neutral, and I haven't put anything inside the envelopes. And again, this is from Ruby and Pearl's quotes. More stenciling. I've also printed on some deli paper. I've put in. All this is from the kit. Just a card I've made up, again, Ruby and Pearl, and an envelope. Again, I've not put anything in there. They apparently have quite a few photos from their engagement, so the idea is they're putting them in there. This is some brown paper packaging I've covered, and I can't remember where this came from. This might have been by Boho Love. There's one of my clusters, Live Life in Full Bloom, and another crepe paper ruffle. Again, I haven't put anything in there. Paper from the kit. This is a tender document from, let me go to the other side, 1906 as well, for a job in Burlington Street, London. And I've just folded the sides in, got a rusted paper clip, put a piece of lace, and again I've just scrunched this up, and another quote from Ruby and Pearl. More stenciling. Again, this is from the kit. I've put back packaging paper on the back there. I've done another lace collage here and a little card. This is some other packaging paper I've got, and I've just roughed it all up again and sort of attempted to make it look older. I'm hoping it's working. A ruffle from Sari Silk, stenciling, page from the kit. And this is an envelope from 1973, I believe. I got picked up a few of these are first day covers, and this is German. And I picked up a few of these. So here, this is a quote card from Ruby and Pearl, a bit of Tracy labels, and a card from the kit. And then inside here, that goes inside there, is another card from the kit, and another. This is from a different kit, and I can't remember whose it was, but I will look it up. And again, I've just sort of aged this and put a bit of my faux tape on there and put that in there. So this actually looks through the window. And then this side, I've got a tab made with a little muffin tea-dyed case. This is from the kit, and an odd scrap of crepe paper. And again, this is a journal card from the kit that I've backed with tea-dyed paper. And that goes in there. So you can see there's something in there with that on the side. Just a pocket from the kit, and again, a quote, some kind of wonderful, and some cards from the kit. Paper, more stenciling, tea-dyed ledger paper, and I can't remember where this came from, but it was sort of in a 3. So I've aged it a little bit and folded it in 3, and then I've just stapled on there, "You are one in a million." That came with the kit. And then you open it up, and there's 2 pieces of American ephemera, Sherman High School, Texas, 1937 report card on history. And this, I'm not sure exactly where this is from, but it's an engineer's trip record. It's got patented 1888, but I don't know if that's where it's the date it was. It actually hasn't got a year up there to do with firemen, and how long it took, and train number and time. And again, these are from, this is from the backing is from Raindrop Lila's neutral kit. No, it's not. That's from the Graphics Fairy. I do apologise. That's from the Graphics Fairy. I will try and remember, and I'll try and remember to link. This is from the kit, just a fold out, and it's French literature book. More stenciling. Again, another card from the kit, and I've just collaged and layered on there and aged up a bit and just sit it in there. Pages from the kit, and again another print on a Spanish book page I've done. The prints are from Graphics Fairy, and another one of my collages, material collages there. that's the other side of that packaging paper, deli paper, stenciling, the other side of the envelope, again, nothing inside, just a quote, and then a little tag again from the quick kit that I've put in there, another crepe paper ruffle, and here I've got another rusted paper clip, and I've put together, this is from, oh dear, I can't remember again. I will put the link down below. I bought a set of tags, French tags. I want to say pixie dust files, but I don't think it is. Might have been polka art. Again, can't remember exactly. This is from the kit. And then this is a frame. And I thought that went round there quite well. And just clips on there like that. And then this side, this is another collage I've made with a card and a Polaroid, a bit of layering, kitchen roll, dye kitchen roll, crepe paper, lace. I think this was this is a French dictionary page that I've edged in gold, and then a piece of paper scrap from the kit. And then this is a front cover from a antique Spanish book. It's very fragile, but again, I thought maybe they could put photos on it and then someone's signature along there. So I thought that was quite nice to have in there as well. And then this is just an altered, or very simple altered seed packet with a picture from the kit. There's nothing inside it. And then another card from the kit and a quote from Ruby and Pearl. Another up-tuck from the kit with another card backed in packaging paper. More stenciling, and then I've just made a scrap. This is from the kit for a belly band, and I've just put together a scrap pad here and a label down the bottom. And that again was a scrap left over from the kit. And then a pocket at the back and two cards from the kit there as well. And it's got that word, that quote, "You are one in a million" on there as well. So that's the order I've done for the engagement diary. I hope they like it. I'm delivering it to, well, by the time this video comes out, I'd have delivered it a few days ago. So I do hope they like it. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button or the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks a lot. Bye.